Got a Drake lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Laugh Now, Cry Later. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an F major 7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 8th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Next is an E minor 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And then last is a D minor 7 chord. So you're just going to take the E minor 7 chord and move it down 2 frets. Then the second time around, we're going to go back to the F major 7 chord. Then E minor 7. Then back to the F major 7 chord. E minor 7, D minor 7. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Laugh Now, Cry Later. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.